My friends, what in the world are you doing? We've talked about this. I'm sorry for getting so upset. It's just I try my very hardest to help you put your best cleaning foot forward. I walk into some of these homes and I see what some of y'all are still doing, and it hurts my feelings for you. You're totally sabotaging your home's awesomeness and appeal, not to mention your time, money, and potentially your health. And so that's why today I'm going over 5 cleaning mistakes that good housekeepers don't make. Cleaning mistake number 1, putting off cleaning jobs. Hi! Maintenance, baby, it's all about maintenance. If you drop jelly on your kitchen floor, take the 20 seconds to go ahead and wipe that up. Unless, of course, you like the ants, because you'll have them. They definitely like that sweet stuff. Putting off cleaning jobs can turn 20-second tasks into 20-minute tasks. The same concept can apply to almost anything in the home, so make sure your kitchen is wiped down, your bathroom countertops are sanitized, your clothes are picked up off the floor. By not putting off cleaning jobs, it's going to make your bi-weekly and your weekly cleaning routines a whole lot easier. Cleaning mistake number 2, using the wrong cleaning product. Now this one's a little bit more serious, but if you use the wrong cleaning products, you could potentially damage something, costing you a lot of money to fix or replace whatever you've damaged, especially if you're a housekeeper and you do it on someone's home. Then you either got to file a claim and your insurance has to pay for it, or you pay for it out of your own pocket. For example, natural stone. You never want to use any type of acid cleaner on natural stone because it will etch and discolor it. Also, for flat screen TVs, another example, flat screen TVs. Never use any type of cleaners that have ammonia or alcohol in them because it just dries out the screen and over time will scratch and crack it. So, know what you're cleaning, and if you don't know how to clean something, just look on my channel under my video library. Chances are I've got a video on how to clean it. And if you're looking and I don't have a video on how to clean something, just leave me a comment down below and let me know, hey, Tommy, how do you clean this? And I would be more than happy to post that video. Cleaning mistake number 3, starting in the wrong place of the room. Starting in the wrong part of the room is a huge waste of time because you're going to end up having to repeat steps, do stuff twice. Whenever you're in a room and you're going to clean it, you work your way from top to bottom. We don't walk into a bedroom, clean the floors, right, and then dust, because all we're going to do is knock stuff down on our fresh clean floors. My friend, when you're cleaning a room, make sure you go in the right order because your time is too valuable to be wasted. Cleaning mistake number 4, using dirty cleaning tools. This is just cleaning one-on-one stuff, but you can't clean with dirty cleaning tools. Take a dirty vacuum, for instance. If your filter's all clogged up and you've lost a lot of suction, it's going to hinder its ability to suck up all that dirt and debris and dust that you're trying to get up in that canister or in that bag, right? Also, if the beater bar has all kinds of hair all in it, and you can hardly feel the brushes because it's just got so much stuff, it's going to hinder its ability to brush that carpet and pick up more debris. So you can't clean with a dirty vacuum. A dirty washing machine or dishwasher is a problem as well. A dirty washing machine is just going to redeposit that soil back onto your clothes, making your clothes smell hideous. A dirty dishwasher is just going to redeposit the soil back onto your clean dishes, potentially making you sick. Also, you want to make sure your mop heads are clean whenever you're mopping your floors, your scrub brushes, your sponge when you clean your dishes, and of course also your microfiber cloths. My friends, bottom line, just make sure you are cleaning with clean cleaning tools. Man, that's a lot of C's. That's a lot of clean too. And cleaning mistake number 5, buying a brand spanking new vacuum and not using it enough. How many of us have bought a brand new vacuum and then just left it in the closet and let it sit there and be lonely? Be honest. My friends, here's the deal. You spent good money on that vacuum. It works great, cleans like a champion, sucks like a leech. Don't let dusty soil pile up on your carpet. Use it. Love it. And while you're at it, do a arm wave along the way.